Good day and welcome to Gainer's Tech channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to easily remove the background of an image within a short time. So without wasting further time, we're going to go straight down to business. What you do is to open your browser. It can be any browser, maybe Google Chrome just like mine, and I'm going to type the name of the website. It's called remove.bg. Here's the website. So immediately the website opens like this. You come to upload image. You browse your phone to the image you want to remove the background. So in my case, I want to remove the background of this image. Alright, so the image is loading right now, and of course, just like that, the background of the image will be removed. So having removed the background of the image, I'll now come here to download the image. You come to this button, click on download, and of course the image with the background removed will download into your phone. So let's go to the folder where I have the image and see if I have the one that has downloaded. Alright, so here is the original image, and here's the one with the background removed. So it's as easy as that. So if, let's say, I am working on a design in Canva, I can just come here now, come to Canva, click on gallery, and of course input the image that I've removed the background. So it's as easy as that. So thank you very much for viewing this video. If you have gained value from this video, kindly subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our subsequent videos. Till then, it's bye bye from me.